I think Serena was being a little tough on herself. She didn't really kill that dude.
She didn't. She thought she did. She felt bad.
I can understand her feeling bad, but that was not murder.
It was not murder. She enabled someone to die. I think the more appropriate line would have been, I let someone die.
I like that better. But that's not as dramatic to end an episode on.
It's not. There's no boom. That doesn't
Right.
sound good after I let someone die.
Boom.
No,
No, I don't like it.
I killed someone. Boom.
Love it.
Boom.
Love it. Nice
That's
ending.
better.
Now, if you were in a relationship with someone who lied to Dan as much as you have been lying to Dan, would you ever take that person back? I mean, Serena's been just not telling the truth.
Well, it's not that she's been lying. She hasn't been talking to him. And I think a very important part of relationships is having an open communication. So I think it's bad, but I think that she is scared and she is justified. I think where she goes wrong is telling other people and not Dan. But she does tell the other people only a few hours before she plans on telling Dan. So it's not like she's completely keeping him out of the loop. And she's 16, 17. So she's got a little bit to learn.
All right. Now, clear something up for me. This New York Magazine story suggested that you and Leighton don't like each other. I need to believe that you and Leighton are best buddies.
No, it's actually Chase and I that are the frenemies.
I hate her.
Oh.
I hate her.
Oh no, my necklaces.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
That's
it's
not true.
nonsense. They also insinuated that I had like caps on my teeth and 200 pounds of fake hair and like my nose, and that I was dating everyone, and that I hated all my actors and I only liked Alan Arkin. I mean, it was the worst article I've ever read about both of us, and I mean about all of us as people. They were great about our show, which I appreciate their support of our show, but you know the fact that everybody always tries to pit Leighton and I against each other, and it's just like it's absurd. And they only pit women against each other. They don't pit the men, and it's just like it's nonsense. We have so much fun. We enjoy each other so much, but they have to have scandal and drama, and it's like, well, maybe we don't go to lunch together because we're working, because we have 16-hour days. So yeah, we hang out at work. You know, none of us really have time outside of work to do anything. But the rumors that we don't get along is absolutely absurd. But there's nothing we can say because we always say that it's untrue, and then they'll get a picture of us on set like this, because there are 200 paparazzi blocking the camera and we can't shoot, and it's like 100 degrees outside and we're wearing leather jackets pretending it's winter, and then that's all of a sudden, oh, they hate each other, they're unhappy. So
Well, I saw you guys at the Paley Festival interacting, and you looked like you were pretty good friends.
I know, it's silly.